So yeah guys, that is basically what I got during my whole trip. That is what I got to shoot. You know, besides the normal kawaida crazy videos like this one. And I know most of us guys who probably create videos, or those who want to create videos while traveling, find it hard to, at the end of it all, to come up with a story or come up with a vlog showing how they traveled and whatnot. Now, I did a research which is going to help me and help you guys also just come up with a nice video that involves you traveling and vlogging at the same time. So to start us off, we are going to have an objective. So the objective of us traveling and vlogging is to come up with a nice video that we're going to share it with our friends, that we're going to share it with our YouTube channels and all that. So the objective is coming up with a video. The next thing is the strategy. Now the strategy is the things I'm going to do in order for me to get to my objective. And the strategy is obviously going to be shoot videos. The third part is now tactics. Tactics is now the little things that you're going to do to come up with that video in order to come up with the main objective. Okay? I'm going to focus a lot on tactics because that is where we get to come up with a vlog, come up with a story of, you know, you traveling to China, or you traveling to Naivasha or Nakuru or Mombasa or whatever. So tactics. In every story, in every video, in every vlog, you need to have an introduction, conflict and a resolution. Now for vlog, obviously the introduction can be easy. You can just record yourself saying hi to guys and, you know, telling people where you're going or where you'll be traveling and all that. And you can also do another type of introduction by just shooting b-roll. One thing about b-roll is that b-roll is easier said than done. You have to say no to having fun with your friends or with whoever you're traveling with just to get that b-roll, because like I said, b-roll is easier said than done. Now we're done with the introduction, let's go to the main story. Now this is where you're going to show us spicy information about your journey, who you're traveling with, your friends. Give us a little bit of entertainment between your friends, between you guys laughing, you going to a hotel or grabbing some snacks and all that, getting to Naivasha, getting to your destination, how it looks like, the cultures there and whatnot. Now that is all going to be on the conflict. That is not going to be on the story. That is going to be the main story in the whole vlog. And finally we get to resolution. Now resolution is when you're done with all your activities for the day or for the week or for the month or for the year if you're traveling for a year, and summarizing all that to how the experience has been and whatnot, and you going back home. And that is how you complete the video. So vlogging and traveling is easy, but you really need to be strategic about what you're going to do, what exactly you're going to shoot, especially when it comes to the story, the conflict in the whole story. You need to have a clear strategy on, like, I'm going to talk about Naivasha, or I'm going to talk about China itself, I'm going to talk about the different cultures. I'm also going to involve, as much as you're doing a lot of you know, b-roll and whatnot, you need to involve the audience, you need to involve the people who will be watching the video by filming yourself with other guys laughing, making jokes and whatnot. And that's how you're going to make an incredible video. That's how you know you're going to make a video that doesn't look like mine, 16 seconds. But yeah, you know, we learn from our mistakes, we learn by getting new experiences, by failing. So that is just my 2 cents when it comes to, you know, that's just my 2 cents when it comes to traveling and vlogging. Now if this video has helped you one way or another, please just type in the comment section saying it has helped you, saying yes, it has helped you. That is you typing. Share it to one of your friends, share it to 2 of your friends, share it to anyone, especially if you know he or she is traveling and would like to vlog. Share it with him or her so that he can get tips, so that the person can get tips on how to vlog and travel at the same time, because it's it's really interesting how someone can come up with a nice video while traveling. As much as you're traveling, as much as you're trying to have fun, you'll have to put in the work. You have to say no to a little bit of fun and get that nice shot, get that perfect shot, which is not so easy, but you know, it is what it is. So that brings us to the end of today's video, guys. Until I see you next time,